Okay, so another Americana video from Mount, and what we're going to be looking at are ways that people try to escape, right? Ways to add weight. So we're kind of going into some further just details on, sometimes you're going to do some of the stuff we talked about and do the basic finish we went over, and you're going to need to reposition, realign, redistribute your weight, okay? So we're gonna look at whether or not I can push him off of me, okay? So now my Americana needs to start being able to reposition as they try common escapes, okay? Go ahead and go in for the Americana here, okay? Good, and just hold what you've got, right? He's got a pretty good luck. He's been my uke for like several videos now. We're gonna see if we can push him off. We can, okay? Now, we're gonna go over how to combat that, okay? Let's turn this way a little bit. You can stay on top here, okay? So, he wants to go ahead and do the paintbrush thing that we talked about, right? Yeah, good. Okay, that's good. Sometimes you'll do that and somebody have a super flexible shoulder and you run into your own knee. So that's one thing. But what I want you to think about doing is shifting your hip a little bit, and all I want you to think about doing is making this knee on this leg light, okay? We don't want to think about hooking here. We'll go over that in a different one, right? But just shift your hips a little bit and make this knee light. Just be able to hover it over the mat, all right? Good. Now, take the elbow down closer to my hip. Good, okay? Hold that right where you're at. Kind of lift less weight on the mat on this elbow. Yes. Okay, I can't be here. Nice, okay? So I don't want to be able to grab my own hand, right? So there, yeah, he's got it. I can't push him off either, okay? Let me get on top. So, this idea of stopping somebody, like bridging us off, hinges on this idea of being light on the knee, on the same side you're attacking on. See, I can move it around on the mat like that. So that might be a flare. I might shift my hips a little bit here, but look, right? First, use your arm under my armpit and really just stiff arm me, like, yes. See, now I would have to change to like a straight arm lock, okay? However, there's that light knee I was talking about, and my elbows are light too. Do that. Great, and I just we lifted up a little bit off the mat on the other side. My weight didn't go that way at all. All it did was come up and then back down. I'll take it, right? I wasn't off balance. He didn't redistribute my weight for me off, to one side with that bridge like he was trying. So that's what we want to think about here is the lightness of this knee on the same side as the attack. That may be it just being light in the way we talked about here, and we'll cover it in a different scenario about really emphasizing opening your hip up and shifting a little more weight. They may be wider, barrel-chested, larger hips, have 60 pounds of weight on you, okay? Some of these things would come in if it was just Micah and I on some of these variations we're doing today, right? So just think about the lightness of the knee to stop that UPA escape attempt, all right? Thanks.